young people. So the young people just want smart homes, small apartments that are furnished where they can just drag in their bags and fully equipped for them to work. So it's like a work, play, and environment. So spring apartment for me is something that is dear to my heart because I actually want to ensure that every young person has a place they can stay. They can actually afford daily or monthly. The regular real estate opportunities housing that we have is you have to pay a year. This is a young guy. He just came to Lagos. He just got a job. How do you expect him to put 1 year rent together? So I started thinking about how can we give them opportunity to actually pay as you go. And one thing you should know about spring apartment is that it's more profitable. So I'll just give you why spring apartment. If I invest 500 million naira to get a house in Ikoyi, the best rental value I'll get is 5%. If I also invest that 500 million naira to do one 2-bedroom hotel style apartment in between Lekki, Chevron, and well managed and purpose built, that's where you need to understand. It has to be purpose built from the foundation to cost of construction to time the construction will be delivered. You can actually make as much as 30% return every year compared to 5%. Why? Because the 5%, you are not meeting the need of a huge market. But on the other side, you are meeting, like I will say, we are always sold out. We want more spring apartments like tomorrow morning because we have more demand than the supply. And that is the opportunity. And so I rather channel investors that have trusted me with their money to opportunities that will give them good return than just the hype that they have a house in Ikoyi. So that is why I said we're an investment company. So what we do always is to create opportunities for investors. So the spring apartment is helping to ensure that investors are making good return and also giving opportunity to young people in Lagos to have housing they can actually pay as you go. So it's a win-win for the both. So we have spring apartments in various places. We have bespoke. We have projects that belongs to investor. We just manage and send them money weekly, daily, or yearly. We have other ones that like 10 people come together, they buy it. We have to manage it and send them money, distribute monies to them monthly or yearly. And we are coming up with a lot of them everywhere in Lagos that is close to, proximity is very important, close to where these young people actually work.